We don't have enough evidence to prove that the defendant intentionally killed her babies. We're not saying that she intentionally suffocated the babies or murdered them. This case is about neglect. It's about extreme indifference to human life. It's a small miracle that the trash didn't get wheeled out to the street in that time, because investigators find that baby deceased in a trash bag in the trash can beside her house. That's how we know. That's how we found out what she did. During the course of this interview, she breaks down. Yes, the baby gasped in 2018, gasped for breath. It was born alive. I placed it in a trash bag in the summer. That's neglect. That is extreme indifference for human life. Because the natural consequence is exactly what happened in this case. A baby boy in 2018 and a baby girl in 2017 lost their lives because of the direct actions and the consequences that the defendant knew would result from her actions. The deaths of those two children.
In November 2017 and in December of 2018, my client, Alyssa Dayvault, unexpectedly gave birth in her own home. She endured delivery alone, without any assistance. As a result, the state charged my client with 2 counts of homicide by child abuse based on their theory of what occurred. But it's just that. It's a theory. Over the next few days, the state will present evidence that will make you uncomfortable. It will likely make you emotional. But as a juror, you are charged with listening to all of the evidence presented. In order to establish a homicide by child abuse that occurred, the state must show 2 things. 1, that my client caused the death of a child under the age of 11 while committing abuse or neglect. And 2, that the death occurred under circumstances manifesting an extreme indifference to human life. Pay close attention to what the state alleges caused the death of these children, and ask yourself, throughout the trial, what evidence has the state shown that will prove you the cause of death? Listen carefully, think critically, and set aside your emotions until you've heard all the evidence. And after you've heard all the evidence, we believe that you'll find in favor of my client, Alyssa Dayvault.